Ferihegy, a repülőtér.
This is Ferihegy, the airport of Budapest. Millions of us pass through this airport each year, yet there is very little known about this special place. Starring in this documentary are the employees of the airport. By peeking into their lives, we will get a complete picture of what is going on behind the scenes at Ferihegy. We now reveal to you the secrets of Ferihegy. The passengers enter the place called transit through this door. They spend their time between check-in and departure here in this waiting area. Some say that in a modern airport, even the asphalt is luminous, since the so-called touchdown lights indicate the exact location of landing, the so-called touchdown zone. Lights designate the center line of the runway. These guys are working on the entertainment system for first-class passengers.
Midland 731, this is ground handling operations, go ahead.
Good morning, we shall be on the ground at time, well, on the hour basically.
Right, the stand is going to be number 37. Do you need fuel for the return flight?
Confirm number stand 37, is that correct?
Yes, that's correct, 37. Do you need fuel?
Yeah, we will need fuel for the return. Do we have a slot for the way back?
Yes, it is 1055.
Great stuff, stay on the ground, thank you.
Bye-bye. Első raktérben lesznek a csomók érkezéskor.
Can you make it in 5 minutes? The flight leaves at 25 past, which is in 10 minutes.
I believe that once you fall in love with it, you can't quit, unless you have to retire. There is a fire emergency training place where the flight attendants can practice emergency procedures with real fire. They use real fire extinguishers because they have to learn the firefighting techniques and everything about the fire itself.
Well, it took 44 seconds. This should be the same for day and night. And now, we are taking you for a trip on a Male 440 flight.
440-es számú járatával.
Here, you can see that the aircraft has already started to climb. Then, I raised the landing gear. This is where landing, departing, and overflying air traffic is controlled up to 6,000 meters. So at this place, there is already air traffic control going on. We can see the different positions and the estimated times and altitudes showing that these aircraft are about to collide here, or at least come very close to each other. We will have to deal with this.
Condor 87, due traffic descend now to flight level 330.
Either he can't hear me or he's not listening.
Condor 871 Budapest.
871, go ahead.
Condor 871 descend now to flight level 330 due traffic.
Flight level 330, Condor 871.
As you can see it here, the Condor flight has started descending. It is now below 35,000 feet.
Airbus Malev 743, continue approach, 3-bar right report turning, final number 1, wind 210 degrees 2 knots. Lot 532, good evening, line up and cleared for takeoff runway 3-bar left, wind 170 degrees 3 knots. Nincsen semmilyen zavaró körülmény.
There are no disturbing circumstances. They have been cleared to line up onto the runway and take off.
left. 27 left is closed in Paris, just one runway.
Expecting 08 right.
There's nothing in the NOTAM.
Continue. Rotate. Positive rate.
Iran.
Iran. Approach here, stop on at 550. Just start passing 4,000 feet.
550, Charles to Crater, control 19, the runway heading and the climb to level 100.
Then we are cleared to climb to a certain altitude. Since both of us are busy completing the tasks and necessary steps during this phase of the flight, the cockpit seems like a tight place for the two of us. We depend on each other, and we have a lot of work to do.
Szigorúan egymásra vagyunk utalva, és nagyon sűrű a tennivalóknak a sora.